Okay, so I'm going to show you how to customize this set from the Quizlet link. So make sure that if you do not have a Quizlet account, you can use login with Google over here with your school account. If you have your own account, that's fine too, but you will need to make sure to get the right password from me. And you need to come here to the three dots, click Customize. Make sure on the left you see only characters. And so on the right, you need to have English as well as pinyin. On the left for the characters, if you don't remember how to type it or to switch your keyboard, then you can go to mdbg.net. And then on the right, there should be some choices actually after you put in the words so they will match. What's important for this assignment is that you make sure you know you have all the unique words in here and that there are no repeats. So if you know someone else has put in the same word as you, make sure you put in your own unique ones. When you're done with your whole set, adding the cards, you also need to make sure you click create so that everything is saved. And once it's saved, then it should be good. If you're not sure, then make sure to ask me for questions. This should be the same link as before as well. Okay, Hala.